Hey guys, and welcome once again to this channel if you have been here. So today's video is going to be super informal because it's pretty late right now. My husband's in the shower, so if you hear the shower or you hear a door later on, then I apologize for that. But I just got these today and they are still on sale, so I wanted to get this video up super fast so that you take advantage of this amazing sale. I got these boxes of little mason jars. These are like jelly jars, and they're supposed to be for canning. I'm not going to be using them for that, obviously. I'm going to be using them to organize all of my spices. And I did get 2 boxes, and each one has 12 jars in them. So these are on sale for $7 something at Target, and then there is a $2 coupon on Cartwheel, so they ended up being like 5 something, which is amazing for 25 jars. This brand does have like little spice jars, but they only sell them like in a pack of 4, and they're kind of expensive for what they are. So these are the perfect size. In my opinion, they'll do the job just fine, and I actually do prefer them because if I wanted to like scoop something out, then these are wider at the top. So I'm going to be organizing all of my spices. Like I said, they are in this drawer right here, which I'm going to change the view right now so that you can see the drawer and you can see the process. And then I'm going to just put everything in these. I've been wanting to do this for a while, and I'm so excited because this drawer is going to look so beautiful when I'm done. So the other thing I wanted to say is that you could perfectly write in here like what your spice is, or maybe put like a label here, but I found these amazing labels also at Target, and they are these from the brand Avery. They are the perfect circle size for these. They're like 1 inch and something. They have other ones that are 2 inches. Those would work as well, but I got these and I thought that they would be perfect since they're like little circles and the size is great. I wanted them in white, but this is all they had, and so since I had to get the colorful ones, what I'm going to do is I'm only going to use the orange, green, and yellow because those I think resemble like food more as opposed to like pink and blue, if you know what I mean. And then I organized all of my spices in a little list right here, and then I put like dots next to them in the color that I think I want to use the label in. So for example, anything that's like white or yellow, I'm going to use a yellow label. Anything that's an herb, I'm going to use the green label, and anything that's like brown or red, I'm going to use the orange label. So like chili powder, things like that. So I think that's pretty creative actually. But anyway, without further ado, let's just get into this video. I'm going to change the angle right now, and if you want to see how this is going to turn out, then just keep on watching. Alright, so this angle is perfect. Let's open up this madness. I apologize because there are spices everywhere. Like, I don't mean just bottles, but I mean like actual spices are like through the drawer. So this is a little bit of a mess. As you can see, I have some bottles that are like really big, others are medium size, others are like super small, and I just want everything to look one way. And I also have like even bigger bottles than this that I get at Costco for things that I use the most often, which are like in this cabinet right here. And so whenever I have to use it, I have to like go down here, if you know what I mean. Yeah, so I don't think I'm going to be talking much through this video. I'm just going to like show you as I just put everything in here basically. So yeah.
Could swear it's been 700 degrees in here since you came in. I could swear that this room has been running out of air, and now it's starting to spin. You make me feel kind of bad, kind of good, kind of everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kind of wrong, kind of right, kind of anything, and I would change it if I could. right, I swear I'm hitting the floor. I could swear that my stomach just sunk a meter. I'll be dead if I take any more. You make me feel kinda bad, kinda good, kinda everything, yet it doesn't feel like it should. You make me feel kinda wrong, kinda right, kinda anything, and I would change it if I could.
So here it is, guys. Here is the result. I think it looks so cool. I love how it's all like color coordinated. I don't have them organized by like alphabetically or anything like that, but if you wanted to do that, you could definitely do that. I put all of my spices in here. The only one that I couldn't fit, not because I don't have space here, but because I ran out of jars, was this the tajin or tajin. I don't know how you say that, but it's like that Mexican seasoning that you put like in fruit and stuff. So but that still wouldn't make sense to put it in a jar because you kind of like sprinkle that on top of things, if you know what I mean. So this is the result. I am obsessed with how this looks. I love it so much, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. I appreciate it. It helps me and it helps my channel. And thank you so much for watching. Have a lovely Wednesday.